Hey YouTube, what's up? So today we are doing the part 3 of the 3-part tutorial. So here on the last step, the whole top face. Well, by now you should have your cross, your corners put into place, and the edges just like that. So you have your first 2 layers done. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so here you're going to do practically the same thing you did on the blue. You're going to make a cross on the top, but instead of regularly doing it, you're going to use an algorithm that does not mess these up. So you hold your little Pac-Man, as I like to call it, or the L, and the top left face, just like that. And you do this algorithm: F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And you see here, we have our cross. Now, what you would do, you match your colors up, just like that. I can see this one doesn't match, and neither does this one. So I would go do this algorithm, holding the solved edges in the back and the front. And what you would do is R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And now you have this solved edge and this solved edge. You do not have these. So now what you would do is you hold your solved edge and your solved edge in the top left. And you do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And now, as you can see, you have your cross with your edges all matched up to their corresponding centers. Now for this whole top face, we are going to work on the corners, just like that. What you would do for this case, you would hold it like, I call it a bow tie because it looks like a bow tie, but some people call it different. You would hold one of these ends facing the right side of you, and you would go R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L prime, no, L. And now you have this. So what you would do is you would hold these 2 bars on the left side of what you're doing. Now you would do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L. Look at that. You have your whole top face. Now what you're going to do is, oh, you see this right here? It's a solved corner. That's good. And we have 2 things back here, but this one isn't matching up, this one isn't matched up, this one isn't. So what you would do is you would hold your solved corner in the left, on the back left of what you're doing. So right here goes this way, and you would move the cube so that way the green is facing away from you and the blue is facing towards you, and you would do R prime, U, R prime, down 2, R, U prime, R prime, down 2, and R2. Look at that, you solved your Rubik's Cube. Congratulations. Alright, on my next video will be an advanced tutorial on how to do this and get faster at how you do it. So instead of doing your cross on the top, you're going to move it on to the bottom down here, and you do your cross just like that. You get your cross done, and then instead of putting the edges, instead of putting the corners in their correct spot and then doing the edges, we're going to be doing the corners and the edges together. So that will be fun. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you've watched this video and you like it, please like it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.